Assalamu alaikum student. My name is Tasim Fatma and I am your nursery teacher. Good morning my lovely students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and fine. Alhamdulillah. How's your day spent? Have you done your homework? Okay, listen to me carefully. I really appreciate your efforts, the parents' effort who put in this class. The children are very quiet, well mannered, and nice, and I really appreciate you all for this who listens to me carefully. Whenever I ask you the questions, you answered me. This is really appreciable for me. Thank you so much my students for cooperating with me in this hard time. This is not for forever. This is temporary, our online classes. Then we will meet inshallah in school and pursue our studies. Okay students, thank you so much for your cooperation, and parents, thank you so much for your cooperation. Now I would like to start my morning sessions, or you can say that it's a circle time, with the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Okay students, as you all know that we can start with the 1000 tasmiyah. Tauz means Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim and tasmiyah is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. It's a quick review of this circle time, because I've already mentioned in deep and thoroughly in yesterday's session that how our morning session, or you can say our circle time, going. Okay, then we start with the Surah Hamd. As you all know that Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim Maliki Yawmiddin Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in Ihdinas siratal mustaqim siratal ladzina an'amta alaihim ghairil maghdubi alaihim waladdallin. Okay, this is Surah Hamd. Then we will start with the Surah class. Then we in this month we have Surah Asr, so we recite Surah Asr. Then recitation of Pehla and Dusra Kalma. Then we have, after completing the surahs and kalmas, we have the Masnoon Dua. As you all see this, I have mentioned here खाने के बाद की दुआ, खाने से पहले की दुआ, दूध पीने के बाद की दुआ, दूध पीने के बाद की दुआ और सफ़र की दुआ. ओके, ये 4 मसनून दुआएं हैं जो कि हमारे इस मंथ में हमने इंक्लूड की हैं. लेटर ऑन वी कैन चेंज आवर theme also, we can change our duaएं and surah also. Okay, after recitations of duaएं, surah and kalmas and masnoon duaएं, we have a quick review of the theme of the month. As you all know that our theme of the month is body parts. Our body parts, huge body parts, that is eyes, nose, lips, ear, hairs, knee, shoulder, head, lips, tongue. How many of body parts do we have? So in today's lesson, you are all practicing naming different parts of the body. We will do lots of energetic activities, sing a poem in a live session, not in this review. Okay, do a worksheet, etc. And we will learn the identification of the body parts through flashcards. As we all know that we have covered in this week 2 body parts. The one is eyes and the other one is nose. Through eyes we can see many things, and through nose we can smell many things. So these are the pictures of 2 body parts. As you all see this is eyes. You know, eyes is very important part of our body. If we don't have eyes, we are unable to see the beautiful world, as you can see the picture of the body parts. This is our very important body parts of our body. As you can see this picture, this is eyes. How many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes. Okay, first of all, we thanks to Allah for giving me eyes to see the beautiful surroundings, the beautiful people, beautiful sceneries, animals, plants, etc. Okay, students, we use our eyes to see our surroundings, to see colors, and to read books. Our eyes can give us a great deal of information to think about. For example, our sense of sight can help us to decide whether to cross the road or not, or if the food we are going to eat looks fresh or rotten. Rotten means, you know, रोटन्स किसे कहते हैं? बासी को, यानी आप खाना फ्रेश खा रहे हो या बासी खाना खा रहे हो। हर चीज़, अच्छी बुरी चीज़ का हमें किस तरह पता चलेगा? When we have eyes, so we can see and differentiate between the fresh and rotten. As you see here, I am talking about the sense of sight. You know how many senses do we have? We have 5 senses, okay, in which the very important senses we have is the sense of sight. Sense of sight will help us to see the things. Okay, next. Okay, our next body part is our nose. How many nose do we have? We have only one nose. Okay, you know how nose help us to smell things? What is the smell? Every day you encounter many smells, some good like baking bread, or some not so good like dirty sneakers. We are able to smell all those aromas and all because of our nose. If we don't have nose, we don't adore or we don't smell anything. Okay, it's a bad smell or a good smell. In fact, the human nose means यानी कि हमारी nose जो कि है जिससे हम लोग स्मेल करते हैं. Human nose can detect and recognize thousands of different smells, but allowing you to smell is not the only thing your nose does. It is also a passageway for air. You know, it protects your lungs. You can breathe. It even helps you taste your food. For example, you can eat sweet. You can eat sweet food. For example, any sweet dish, you can smell it and taste it. If you bake any cake, it's a sweet dish, and if you do okay, after body parts, we can do to clear the concept of the big and small. As you all know that now it's time to clear the concept of the big and the small. As you all know that in this week we have covered big and small. You can see in the screen you have a big cuboid and a small cuboid. As you all see this in this pen, in this paper, I draw the big star and the small star. This is big and this is small. Okay, this is, what is this? This is ball. This is big. And when we draw a tennis ball, this is small. You know, this is football. As you know that the football is very big and this is small. As you can differentiate big and small. Okay, at home, ask your mother say, give me 2 bowls, a big one and a small one. Then you can differentiate between the big and the small. In this sense, you can see which ball is big and which ball is small. Okay, now as you can see this, which shape is this? This is circle. Circle is round and brown. Can you see the circle? As you can draw, we can do the circle activity as well. Tomorrow we are going to do the circle activity, so don't miss the class and be there for the circle activity. Now it's time for the recognition of color. Do you see which color is this? This is red color. Which color is this? This is red. See in your surroundings, how many red things do you find? I have a red teddy bear, red pencil, red toy, and a red glass. As you all can see, all things are red. So go and find out 5 different objects or you can say 5 different things, but in red color. Okay, you can know red color is very common. You can find your t-shirt, you can find your frock, or any glass, or any basket, pen, pencil, rubber, paper. You can find anything. Okay, so you can know which color is this. This is red color. Okay, it's 9. Okay, our circle time is finished. Now it's time for the study. As you all know that we cover 3 subjects in a day: English, Maths and Urdu. First of all, I have this English class. We can learn or we can say that the introduction of the letter sound L. Okay, I have given on Monday, then it's taken review on Tuesday, and today Wednesday is the third day, and again we are stucking on the letter sound L because this is our first week and we have to cover first letter once a week. Okay, one letter once. As you all know that we have done with the letter L. Now you can see on this video we have some related vocabulary related to the sound L. A lion, a leg, a lamp, a lamp, a ladder, a ladybird. We have so many things which start with the letter. You can ask your child to see in the surroundings how many things do you find with start with the letter sound L. For example, as in you are in the garden, you see the flowers and the leaves start with the L. You see the log, later, legs, they start with the letter sound L. In English, we are talking about the letter sound L in this week. Okay, and we are practicing on it. This is our English book, Phonic Language Series 2, and this is our English Phonic Practice Copy 2A, which we are practicing of letter sound L. We have done 2 or 3 pages of each book, and in the last I have mentioned the homework and the classwork of English. Okay, later on after English we have a maths class. As you all know that in verbal we can have 1 till 30 in the first few 6 months of our session, and after this 1 till 50 in the next few months of our rest of the session. Okay, now in this week we can start with the number 1. Okay, we are practicing of number 1 in copy as well, in book as well. Okay, we have done 2 or 3 pages of book and copies, as I have mentioned in the last, that what is your homework and which is your classwork. You can see on that page. Okay, as you all know that what is the formation of 1 is simple, a straight line, start with the point, go down and stop, start with the point and end with the line. Okay, this is the formation of 1. After 1, which number comes? Number 2. 2 is round and sit down. What is the formation of 2? 2 is round and sit down. Today I have covered the number 2, and tomorrow we will also discuss with the number 2 as well. We do the exercise as well. Okay, this is our number concept series 2, in which we have 2 pages. One is 1 and the second one is 2. Okay, and this is our maths copy in which we are practicing the numbers. 2 days we have covered with the number 1, and later 2 days means today and tomorrow we have covered with the number 2. What is the formation of 2? 2 is round and sit down. Okay, what is the formation? As you all can see, as you all can see, this is 2 is round and sit down. This is the formation of 2. What is the formation of 2? 2 is round and sit down. Okay, this is the formation of 2. Okay, after English and Maths, we have the Urdu class in which we study आओ कायदा पढ़ें. This is your Urdu कायदा through which we can study through the pictures. Okay, आओ कायदा पढ़ें. आओ कायदा पढ़ें में फर्स्ट पेज है हमारा ये वाला, जिसमें से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे अलिफ से. अलिफ की भी आप लिखाई देख सकते हैं, बनावट देख सकते हैं कि क्या है. सीधी सीधी एक लाइन है, पॉइंट्स आपको शुरू करनी है और नीचे लाइन तक आपको लेके आना है. तो हम इसको पढ़ेंगे अलिफ से ऊँट, अलिफ से अनार, अलिफ से स्त्री, अलिफ से अंगूर. ओके, वी हैव टू रीड दिस ट्वाइस. अलिफ से ऊँट, अलिफ से अनार, अलिफ से स्त्री, अलिफ से अंगूर. आप ये देख सकते हैं अलिफ की लिखाई और बनावट. ये पॉइंट्स हम स्टार्ट करेंगे और नीचे तक लेकर आएंगे. ये हमारी अलिफ से लिखाई है. उर्दू की हमारी दो बुक्स हैं. एक बुक है, एक कॉपी है और एक कायदा है. कायदे से हम लोग पिक्चर के थ्रू पढ़ेंगे, किताब में हम लोग लिखाई के साथ पढ़ेंगे और कॉपी में भी हम लोग लिखाई के साथ पढ़ेंगे. ये कॉपी है और ये इसकी बुक है, मेरी उर्दू की किताब और उर्दू की अम्मी किताब, जिनमें से 2 से 3 पेजेस हम लोग इसके कर चुके हैं, जो कि मैं वीडियो की लास्ट में आपको एक पिक्चर शो करूँगी. उसमें आपको होमवर्क क्लास वर्क मेंशन होगा, तो उसके ज़रिए आप ये काम कर सकते हैं. ओके, ये देखिए स्टूडेंट्स. Okay class, have you finished with the English, Maths and Urdu? Now we have today's lesson page in which we mention the classwork and the homework. As you all know that who has not attended the live session, I mean to say the online classes, then you have to do your lesson through this. Okay, in which I have mentioned the English classwork and homework, the mathematics classwork and homework, and the Urdu classwork and homework. Meanwhile, you have to do the practice of the circles. You know how to draw a circle. Draw big and small circles in a rough copy on a rough sheet, round and round, round and round. Okay, always do letter sounds with the formation, numbers with the formations, and Urdu huruf with लिखाई and बनावट. Okay, you know 2 is round and sit down, L is a standing line, और जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि अलिफ भी एक सीधी लाइन होती है. ठीक है, now I am signing off. See you tomorrow inshallah with the new video and the new online session. Okay students, goodbye from your teacher. As you all know that my name is Tahseen Fatma. See you inshallah tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.